In this video, I'll guide you through how to log into your Glassdoor employer account. We'll go step by step, so even if you're new to Glassdoor or employer tools in general, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to get into your employer dashboard without any confusion. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you're comfortable using. In the address bar at the top, type in glassdoor.com/employers and press enter. This specific address takes you to the Glassdoor area designed for employers, not job seekers. It's important to start from this page so you see the correct options and avoid landing on the general job search side of the site. Once the page loads, you should see content focused on hiring solutions, employer branding, and tools to manage your company profile. Take a second to confirm you're on the employer section. This helps prevent mistakes, especially if you use Glassdoor both as an employer and as a job seeker. On this employer page, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Sign Up. Go ahead and click that. Even though we're talking about logging in, Glassdoor often routes both new and returning employers through this same Sign Up entry point. So don't worry if it seems like you're creating a new account. This is the standard path for accessing the employer side. After you click Sign Up, you'll be taken to a screen that prompts you to enter your email. This is where you type the email address associated with your Glassdoor employer account. Make sure you use the same email you originally used when setting up your employer access. It could be your work email or a shared recruiting inbox, depending on how your organization set it up. Type your email carefully and double check for any typos before moving on. A small mistake, like an extra letter or a missing symbol, can prevent you from getting to the right account. If you manage multiple company accounts, be sure you're entering the one you actually want to log into right now. Once your email is entered correctly, look for the button labeled Continue and click it. This tells Glassdoor to move you to the next part of the login process tied to that email address. From here, depending on how your account is configured, Glassdoor may prompt you for your password, send you a verification link, or guide you through any additional authentication steps you previously set up. If you don't see the expected follow-up screen, or if nothing seems to happen after you click Continue, try refreshing the page or checking your internet connection. Also, keep an eye on your email inbox and spam folder in case Glassdoor sends you a sign-in link. And that's it for the core steps. Go to the Glassdoor employers page, click sign up, enter your email, and click continue to proceed with logging in. Once you've done this, you'll be on your way to accessing your employer tools, managing your company profile, and reviewing insights from candidates and employees.